All right, with a contrast method, workout 3 is going to be the squat pattern. Again, the contrast method, as I explained in the other videos, is going to overload, work up above 70% of your max. So it may be 75, 80, 85, depending on what you can tolerate in form. So you overload time under tension, and then you go into explosive movement. With the squat pattern, we're going to do a barbell squat. If you can't get a barbell, you can do other leg press, goblet squats, and things of that nature. But what we're going to do is we're going to do 5-rep scheme. So 5 reps for the back squat pattern. And then you're instantly going to go into that explosive movement pattern. You can do jump squats. You can do drop squats. You can do sit on the box to jump, or you can do a box jump. So you have multiple varieties there. Just depends on the intensity level and what you can tolerate. You're going to do 5 reps of that. So you're going to go, obviously, overload with the squat pattern for 5 reps. Then you're going to go into the explosive squat jump pattern for 5 reps. Then you're going to rest a minute and a half. Okay, you need that rest time so that way those fast twitch fibers are ready to do that explosive and heavy combination again. That's why you have that rest interval like that. So after that, we're going to go into that superset pattern. So the superset pattern, you'll do 2 different movements for 3 rounds, and once you finish that, you move the next 2 combination. So what we're going to do when we jump into that is we're going to do a pull down. So you do a pull down pattern. You guys may have a pull down machine. If you don't, you can use a cable machine. We're going to do 10 reps and then a cling pattern. You can either do a kettlebell, barbell, or dumbbell cling. Remember, cling comes up the chest. You can see it in the video. We're going to do the cling for 8. That's the only one that's going to be different. We're going to do 8 reps on that. So it's going to be pull downs and a barbell or kettlebell cling or dumbbell cling. The second combination of the superset is going to be a landmine press. And again, if you don't have access to a landmine, you can do a shoulder press with this. And it is going to be 10 reps, or a standing shoulder press would probably work better. 10 reps, and then an RDL pattern. Again, dumbbell, barbell, kettlebell for 10 reps. And again, we're going to do 3 rounds of both of those 2 movements. And just to give you guys a heads up, after week 2, we changed reps only in a couple areas. So the core lift will go to 4 of 4, so 4 rounds of 4 reps. The explosive stays the same as reps. The supersets will go to 8. The cling will go to 6. So again, you'll see that in your programming. Again, that's week 4 and week 5. So hopefully you can progress on the amount of resistance or weight you're using on all the lifts, really, as long as your technique and form is good.